If you are upload your YouTube video with this app or this one through this plus sign, you are doing the wrong thing. That is the reason why YouTube algorithm will not push your video. That is the reason why your video stopping getting view. That is the reason why your channel stopping getting a subscriber. Using these two apps you are seeing on your screen here will make your video to be shadow bar. What I mean by shadow ban is that your video will be in public, but people will not see your video. So on this particular video you are watching right now, I want to show you how you can upload your video, your YouTube video in the proper way. That your video can be starting getting view for YouTube algorithm to pushing your video to the right audience. So if it is what you like to follow me learn, do well by helping me like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video for new audience to see too. So let's go to the screen. Let me show you how we do this.
So here I wanted to show you how to upload your YouTube video in the proper way. So first of all, we're going to open our browser. You can use any browser of your choice. I use Chrome, Google Chrome. Now we are going to search for YouTube Studio. Search for YouTube Studio. Now I'll click on youtubestudio.com. Okay, this because I get the app. So when you get the app, they will take you back to the app. So let me just go to the history. You can search your own, or if you want to do it to go directly to the site, you can uninstall the app. Go to the studio, so it's going to open like this. Then you click on continue to studio. Don't get the app, continue to studio. You have to watch the video very carefully so that you can learn everything that I want to teach you here. Learn the video very carefully. So here is one of my channel. Let me zoom it. Here is one of my channel. So you can see we are going to come to the right hand here. So now you see the arrow that goes up is a sign of upload. That second one here is the sign of going live. The third one is the sign of creating a post. But you can see up where you see where they write create with the video sign. Click on them and click on them. Here where they are giving us option to know what exactly we want to upload. First, number one, upload video. Number two, go live. Number three, create a post. Number four, new playlist. Number five, new broadcast. Number six, new course. So what did you want to upload? Is it a digital product? You use the last one. Then you want to go a live, a new broadcast live, then you use the second to the last. Then do you want to create a playlist? You create new playlist. Do you want to create a post like normal post, like picture and write up? Then you create a post. Do you want to go live? Then you go live. Do you want to upload a video? Yes, we want to upload a video because this is what this video is all about. Subscribe to this channel because I'm going to teach you. I'm going to create a video one by one of these 6 features you are seeing here, how to doing it. Don't left behind because YouTube is where you're supposed to know anything about YouTube before you start doing YouTube. So now we are going to use number one, upload video. Now when you click, it's going to bring you to this. I'll just zoom it. You can see the arrow to upload. Now it's telling us drag and drop video file to upload. Click on select file. Now they are giving the option from camera to voice. Like I'm going to go to my file. Now let me go to my videos. Now you according to this place, now in your video app editing folder is where you are going to get your video. Now first of all, if you can see, I have capture, I have screen record, I have movie, I have WhatsApp, I have this CM, and I have InShot, I have camera, I have Video Guru, I have Black Hole, camera editing, AR, Adobe, Video Guru, videos, and this. So where I normally edit my video is Video Guru. So click on there. Okay, I don't even have any genuine video here. Let me go back. Let me use InShot. Okay, I don't even have genuine video here too. So where can I get a video? Let me go to video and see. Okay, what is there is that, okay, let me check camera. I'm going to use the insert. Yes, I'm going to use insert to use one video, do example, but video here is sorry, I'm looking for where to get long video. Okay, let me use this one as an example. Let me upload. Click on this. You can see here is what they call uploading. Your video is uploading, but it's not publishing. And let me tell you one thing, before you upload any video, make sure so you go to your file and rename the video and put the title of that your video on that rename. I'm going to do a video on how to rename a video properly, because you get the way you go rename your video, you can see your video will corrupt, you lost that video. So I'm going to teach you how to rename your video before bringing it to here, so that it can be direct file to the YouTube. Now you can see, let me do something for you. You see here now, it's uploading. It's uploading. When it's not published, it's uploading. When upload, then you set the necessary thing. You see fixture here, we have 4-step fixture. We have 4-step fixture here to complete our upload. First of all is detail. When we talk about details request your video title. Request your detail, like your video title. Here you can click and edit. YouTube group example, make sure to say now your own editing. No, so it requests the title, the description, the thumbnail. If your video in the thumbnail and the playlist, and whether your video was made for kids. So we are going to enter. Let me show you something. Let me tell you, as a YouTuber, if your channel is not made for kids, let YouTube know, say no, it's not made for kids. Don't leave the place empty. If you get playlist, put playlist, because it's very important. It can make your video to be getting view random like all your videos. So now you're scrolling up. This AI use is very important. If your video was created by AI, let a YouTube know say it was created by AI. You click on yes. If not, if it's not created by AI, you click on no. Yeah. Then come to collaboration. If you want to collaborate, you collaborate. I teach a video on how to collaborate, so go and watch. You can know how to collaborate. You see some hashtag, don't put hashtag past 5 or 4. Then coming down video detail, you see video location, you can pass all those things. Allowed embedding, yes. Public to subscriber feed and notice subscriber, yes. Don't touch this place. If your video is how to grow, you can leave it on education or how to and style, which is this one. Yeah, you allow comment, allow everything. So the most important is you have to wait. Let this uploading right down to until mark. So that is all about the detail. Now second we have is video element. Video element is for like end screen, how to put end screen, subtitle and all those things. They call it video element. So if I next now, we land on the video element. Here now, they will ask you, say, okay, I should put a relative video that can make it play, because this video is short. Now I can put subtitle. If in a long video, you will see end screen, subtitle and others. So now because this one is short, I go select. Then I should select a relative. I should select a relative video, which is I'm not going to select because I'm not going to upload this video. So now when you click on next, you come to check. That is when you will allow YouTube to check your video. Don't rush publish video early. Let your video to be done 24 hours. Sometimes if you know say you are in haste, you can leave at like 6 hours. Schedule your post, or you can put it on a playlist. When the information, you put everything. YouTube will let you know whether the video get copyrighted or you don't get copywriting. Then if you don't get copywriting, you go ahead. So let's go to the last option. Last option is visibility. This is the place. Don't allow this to be in public. Put it on listed or you schedule. You schedule your video. When you schedule your video, then you can set the time, the day you want you to post. Then you click on schedule. It will schedule. So this is how you can upload a video on YouTube in a proper way. On this one, there's no way you go upload your video and the video is not going to do well. If it does not do well for the first time, give am time, you see the change on your channel. Thank you, and I still remain your boy, Uncle OC, and I teach you how to grow on YouTube, AI tips, and how to make money online. So if you want to follow me, be learning all this thing in the proper way, do well by subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video like this, you'll be getting notified. And if you have followed this process and you have any challenge, you can go ahead and message me or drop your comment under this video. I'll go to get you in touch. If it is your first time or across the video, subscribe to my channel. I'll go into your channel and do and share something, and you can see me. I can connect you back to. Thank you. So I have cancelled the upload.